Hello, and what I'm going to be talking about in this video and what I have in front of me is the CeraVe Makeup Removing Cleanser Cloths. Yes, this is new. They did not used to have this. What they have is like foaming facial washes, lotions, AM, PM, a moisturizing lotion. I believe they have, I think the AM one comes with like sunscreen, so you can say sunscreen stuff too. CeraVe is definitely recommended from dermatologists, and the reason why I know is because my dermatologist actually is the one that told me to use CeraVe products when I'm cleaning my face or moisturizing my face. So I looked up and I saw this makeup removing cleanser cloths. Now, I don't wear makeup every single day, but when I do, let's just say when I started wearing makeup not too long ago, I didn't have any makeup removing cleansers and all that. So basically, I had to do it the old way, the old school way. Try to wash all that stuff up and wipe it off with a towel, destroyed my towel. I was like, okay, next time I definitely need to get some type of something to remove the makeup so I'm not staining the towel like I did last time with all that makeup. So ran into this, and it did not irritate my skin at all. Now I will say it kind of had like a little kick to it. I think maybe I was rubbing a little bit too hard, and plus it was real late and I was ready to get into bed and cleanse and anyway. So this stuff, I will say it is good. It is good. It is good. I've used this for some good months now. It comes in 25 wipes, pure moisten Williams, as they say. I just say wipes. I just say wipes. So it comes with 25 wipes. And again, the ingredients is pretty much like the same as far as with the cleanser, and like if you was using a foaming facial wash cleanser by this brand, it's pretty much the same ingredients, and then it just gives you like the directions of what you're supposed to do. I have been put in the trash, but you know, sometimes wipes can be flushable and you may accidentally put the wipe in, I don't know, the toilet or whatever, wherever you are. Just make sure that you just put it in the trash, because I've seen what would happen if you put something that's not flushable in it. Anyway, so yeah, it's just pretty much telling you what all it removes, and then it just gives you some information, what you need as far as like what it does, you know, is how it's gonna make your skin feel, what it's supposed to do. So as I'm reading it now, like not only you needed to maybe remove your makeup, maybe you need to remove excess oil or something that you may feel like you have on your face. I don't know, like this, I'm thinking, you know, since this is something that's really good as far as like brand wise and what else they use, I mean, I don't know, maybe you could possibly use it like to just cleanse off the oil, the excess oil that you may have or dirt or whatever and all that. But it does say makeup removing cleanser. I don't know, I'm just trying to be creative. Anyway, so you have nothing to worry about. This is fragrance free, sulfate free, and this is especially with people that has very sensitive skin. I mean very sensitive skin. No, I need to clarify, really sensitive skin, meaning that you can only use certain things, on your face, on your body, something that doesn't really necessarily have, I mean, on my face, I wouldn't recommend a fragrance or perfume just because your face is very sensitive, especially if you have acne. Body wise, I'm not too sensitive with that, but I'm just with the face. Yeah, you want something that specializes in sensitive skin, or anybody that has acne, and maybe use a prescription. You know, this actually is a to-go brand. The wipes isn't all that big. One hand is kind of difficult. Okay, so the wipe just kind of looks like this. Can't believe I'm pull this out. This is something I could be using for my face. Well, I could use this right now on my face. So this is how big it is, and it tells like the width and the length right here. That's how big it is. Yeah, it's pure moisture. Rise. You can definitely feel the moisture in there. It's not like too soggy wet, but it's not too dry either. Yep, definitely gonna wipe my face off right quick while I'm talking. Might as well. I'm not wasting this product. Anyway. But yeah, I mean, your face does feel refreshing. I'm so glad I opened that wipe so I can touch my face with this stuff. Okay, so your face really does feel refreshing. It feels fresh, cool. It doesn't really have a smell to it. You know, sometimes when I say no fragrance, it still has a smell. It just smells like nothing, kind of like a fresh. And when you finish wiping your face, you will like feel a sensation, not necessarily a burn like I was saying, but you do feel something using this wipe. So again, this is the CeraVe Makeup Removing Cleanser Cloths.